Today we're going to be talking about the punctuation mark. The first punctuation mark we're going to talk about is the period, okay? So the period just looks like a dot, and a period goes at the end of a sentence. It tells the reader to stop reading. So as an example, it says, "I like chocolate ice cream the best." That is a sentence and it ends with a period. It tells the reader to stop reading. The next punctuation mark we're going to talk about is the exclamation mark. Okay, so an exclamation mark goes at the end of a sentence. It shows excitement or yelling. So this girl is saying yes. She's saying yes with excitement. Okay, you can see that in that little video there. Okay, so for an example, it says, "I absolutely love chocolate ice cream." You see, did you hear that excitement there? That's when we use an exclamation mark. Okay. A question mark goes at the end of a sentence and it asks a question. So this minion saying, "What?" with a question mark at the end. Okay, so as another example, it says, "Do you like chocolate ice cream too?" Okay, so that's a question, so we need a question mark there. All right, so now the next punctuation mark we're going to talk about is the comma. A comma is used to make a pause or to list three or more things. So let's take a look at these examples at the bottom. Number 1 says, "Freddie likes ice cream, but he doesn't like chocolate ice cream." Did you hear that pause there? That's why we needed that comma, okay? Also, number 2 says, "Freddie likes vanilla, strawberry, and pistachio ice cream." So in that sentence, we had 3 flavors that Freddie liked. So that's why we had to separate those flavors with the comma, because there was 3 of them in the sentence, okay? If there was just 2, we wouldn't have to put a comma there. But since there's 3, or at least 3, we needed to put the commas there, okay? Next up is quotation marks. Quotation marks are used when someone says something, okay? So the example says, "Freddie said, 'I want a milkshake.'" Freddie said that, so that's why we need those quotation marks there, because he said those exact words, okay? You use quotation marks whenever someone says something. Okay, last but not least, an apostrophe is used to get rid of words or show possession of something, okay? So let's look at the examples at the bottom. Number 1 says, "I haven't tried strawberry ice cream." Haven't is the short version of have not. We took away the whole word not, and just put an apostrophe there, so it's haven't, okay? So let's look at example number 2. "I went to Sarah's house to have chocolate ice cream." Okay, whose house is it? It's Sarah's house. So Sarah has possession of that house. She owns that house. So that's why we need to put a comma there, or sorry, excuse me, an apostrophe there, because apostrophe also shows possession. I went to Sarah's house to have chocolate ice cream. Okay? Thanks for watching, and we'll practice some more.